Dear subscribers, they'll tell you how to fix problem when you can't connect to your Wi-Fi on your iPhone. So how you can also do it. So actually you can just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just open it. Also you can try to turn off Wi-Fi and turn it on again. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. Another thing you can try to tap on your network, just forget this network, so after just try to connect to it again. Also you can check if you just choose auto join here, so after it will automatically join your network if you just turn on Wi-Fi. So also, you can try to restore phone, so you go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second, and just power phone again. And the latest option you can try to update your device, so just go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install, and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to our channel, click like and bye.